Good afternoon. This is James Samuels, and I am here at HVAC Technical Academy, and I am doing a demonstration on the heat strip and how it operates. In a straight cool system, it is the primary source of your heat, and in the heat pump, it would be your secondary source of heat, and it would be your emergency heat. So now I will show you how to get the continuity. I gotta test it. We switch our gauge over here, our compact meter, to microfarads, MFD. There we have somewhat of a reading. There we have more of a reading. And now, since we have that, I gotta show you how to take it out of here. And once you need to replace it. So now I'm gonna disconnect these wires here so you can get right to your heat strip. Take it out for you and show how we replace that. In case anything goes wrong with it, we'll switch it out and get you a new one. Bring it right back to you so you can have what you need. And we'll just insert that back in there as fast as possible. And then we will reconnect these wires. And then there you are, you're all set. Have a good one.